In this demonstration, I'm excited to walk you through the simple process of getting started with an AI agent on the Exponent platform. First, let's head over to the Get Started section under our AI Agents tab. Our goal here is to create a conversational AI agent. Think of agents as AIs, similar to ChatGPT, but with your personalized knowledge. To equip them with this knowledge, we need to create a knowledge base. Let's begin that process now. I'm going to name this knowledge base Sales Knowledge Base, focusing on general sales knowledge. I'll go ahead and click Create to set it up. The knowledge can be sourced from various channels. It could be from a web crawler, a collection of FAQs, or even uploaded data tables. For instance, you can use a Google Drive or Google Sheets table where new rows can be added as information sources. Alternatively, adding a web crawler to a specific website allows the AI to extract and incorporate that information into its knowledge. After a link has been successfully crawled, indexed, and integrated, it will appear in the Uploaded Links section. Once your knowledge base is ready, you can proceed to develop the rest of the agent. I'll continue with our Sales Knowledge Base agent. Let's return to our Conversation AI setup. Here you have the option to create a conversational AI agent using prompts or guided forms. A common application is for appointment booking. Next, I'll input some brand details like Exponent.ai with the email sales@exponent.ai and the company address. Though optional, this information provides additional context to the AI. Now, moving on to additional details, I'll define the target audience as marketers at franchise companies. The main challenge is facilitating the cloning of campaigns and AI between headquarters and network locations. Our brand promise is to reduce marketing coordination costs by 75%. In terms of what we oppose, it's ineffective CRMs. Our role is to assist franchise companies in all aspects of digital marketing. What sets us apart? We are genuinely focused on multi-location capabilities and prioritize AI integration. Once satisfied with the brand voice, we save the settings. This additional context gives the AI its voice and tone, ensuring it remains consistent with our brand identity. I'll name this bot Bob, who will serve as our primary bot. Bob is set to operate on Instagram, Facebook, SMS, and the chat widget on our website, excluding WhatsApp. When users interact with Bob, the initial greeting will be, "Hey, I'm Bob, the friendly AI for Exponent. Ask me anything." After setting this up, I'll proceed to further define the specific information and objectives we want the AI to collect.